Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you to add various optional fields in a contact form. Here you can see this is a website that is built on WordPress platform, and this is the contact form that is created with Elementor Pro. Just click here, edit with Elementor. After that we will be able to edit this form. So we want to add various optional forms that allows users to select various options and submit a form. Here you can see this is the contact form. Just click here. After that on the left side it has options to add new field. Just click here, and after that we can add some fields. For example, here you can see checkboxes. After that we can add content here, services, web design, and below here SEO. So here you can see these are the services that we have added in checkboxes. Now we can add a new field. At this time this is radio, and this is also services field, web design, SEO, SMM. The third field, so here you can see this is the field, the name is select, and we can give a label, then fields, web design, SEO, and SMM. Okay. So here you can see we have added 3 different optional fields that user can select one of these options and fill out the form. Just click here, update, and after that let's refresh the page. Here you can see. Now what is the difference between these? Here you can see we can select multiple boxes. So this is checkbox field. After that here you can see we can select only one box. This is called radio field, and the third one, this is checkbox field, where we have drop down menu. So in this way you can add a new field according to your requirement.